Hi everyone and welcome back. Want to make your Facebook profile more private and stop it from appearing on Google? In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Facebook profile using a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture to open the menu. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see a small settings icon. Tap on that to open Facebook settings. Next, scroll down until you find a section called Audience and Visibility. Tap on it, and then select how people can find and contact you. Here, look for an option that talks about search engines outside of Facebook linking to your profile. When you see it, simply turn that toggle off. After this, your Facebook profile won't appear on Google or other search engines anymore. And that's it. If you found this helpful and want more quick tips like this, don't forget to follow and subscribe.